guys, it's Kimmy. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. But they're very private. So, because sometimes I'll share and sometimes I don't, because actually when I first started YouTube, I got in trouble for that. This lady reached out to me. She said, I didn't ask you to advertise for me. She was really nice, but I'm just putting my Kimmy spin on it. We did not ask you to advertise for us. So I'm very slow to mention names, okay? I'm very slow after that happened. So anyway, so you get the book on notaryeducators.com. You can find out all about the mentorship options at notaryeducators.com too. 2 options, $27, $47. Don't forget you have a 7-day-a-week live chat. If you're in the all-inclusive package, you have the apostille course. You know, everybody's talking about apostilles, charging $500, $600, $700, $1,000 for it. It's included in the all-inclusive plan. The loan signing course is included. All of your courses, everything, in fingerprinting, everything you need to get started in this business is included in the all-inclusive plan. So check it out. What we did here with you today is give you a nice little peek inside doing a buyer's package. Any other tips on that one, Joe? So you finished everything? Mm-hmm. It's all done. The package is done. Yeah. So, and again, typically I like to look at my work. Now, my instructions on this package were not that I have to wait. Sometimes your instructions will be you have to wait for them to approve it. Okay, that was not my instructions. That was not my instructions. And the ID was uploaded too? Yes. That was not my instructions to wait. Okay. For some of you who may be brand new, because I see we do have a few brand new people here. This is our office drawer. Let me show y'all the whole thing. Like a little office credenza. Okay. And in here, I have my folders, legal size. I have some clipboards. I have my UPS envelopes. I have small and big. Okay. Letter size and legal size. I have some regular size envelopes. I even keep the smaller ones like this, and I put a few in my bag because clients will ask you for that. And I'm just about, you know what, if I can give it to them, I'll have it ready for them. I got my FedEx labels here. This is our extra scanner that Jeffrey didn't feel like being bothered with today. But it's cute. I mean, let me show you how big it is. It's kind of heavy, y'all. I got it with one hand. It looks smaller than it is, but it's nice little carrying case. I got my FedEx envelopes. Uh-oh, hold on. Doesn't like that. I got my FedEx envelopes. Hold on. There. And then I got plenty of ink pens in the back. Hold on. Ink pens, receipt books. Hold on. Receipt books. This is our little mobile office. Plenty of business cards. I tell you, I buy business cards like 2,000 at a time. So these are my business cards from Vistaprint. Now, these are some old ones. I don't use those anymore. If I have to, I will. That's why I didn't throw them out. I ordered those and I actually didn't like them. And I said, hey, can I get some more cards? And they were like, cool. So they let me keep those and send me another 1,000. So I got a lot of business cards, receipt books. Oh, I can show y'all these clips. Hold on. Today my package is really big. So I have these big jumbo size clips. Yeah, and I don't just hand my client the documents without putting it in a folder. I know people do that, but I think that's kind of ghetto. I don't like doing that. I don't like doing that. So we finished, babe? Yeah. I'll get out of here so you can. Or you get ready to go? I gotta take it to the flight. I wanted to look at it one more time because I didn't do my. See, I hate to not follow my process. My process is to double check it. You think I double checked it enough? You think I did? Well, here, let's talk together to the people. No, you're going to talk with us. Hold on. Hold on. He going to talk to us. I know, but hold on. We're going to talk for just a minute. And then let you go. Hold on. Oh, this is as far as this selfie stick go. Let's see. Okay. All right. So what questions do y'all have for me and Jeffrey while we are here together? We do have a question from Corey. Can you come over?
Do you discuss reverse mortgages and trust agent signings in your lives?
Ain't nothing to discuss. It's the same kind of package.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really not. If you know, that's why we believe in notarizing like a pro, Corey. If you can notarize one, you can notarize another. The way we teach, you don't have to see every single package out there. It's impossible. You won't ever see every single package. Come over, baby.
And it says something about
you won't ever see every single package out there. So the way we teach, you can notarize anything, even a piece of toilet paper. Okay. So to answer your question, though, no, I do not have a reverse mortgage course. I do not even have reverse mortgage documents, but we just had one of our students to do a reverse mortgage, so I could even invite her on to speak about it. But again, I got a video on my channel about it. Reverse mortgage documents are just a lot. I think it took her, did she say 3 hours?
Ooh, yeah, it was a while.
I think it took her 3 hours. She highly underpriced that job. She was upset. But for the experience, because reverse mortgages tend to be with older people, and they just take longer. Jeffrey, can you get in the camera, please? Thank you. We seeing half of your body, don't hide. Scared of what? He don't want to play with me, y'all. What else? Yeah, so we don't teach you got to see every single package, baby. We just don't. We teach you how to notarize like a pro. You will be ready. Everybody in this chat that's in mentorship can guarantee you of that. If you follow the program. If you follow the program works. Okay, so, and trust agent signings in your lives. There is a whole estate/trust package course. Now, I do have a course on that because I want you to be thoroughly equipped in how to do estate/trust signings. You do need to know some of the verbiage. What is an attorney in fact? What is an affiant? So there is a whole course on that. Yes. In our lives, we talk about everything. So it's not we have one topic that we always try to just have a 15-minute, what I'll call like an icebreaker or something to share with you. But every single live, you can ask whatever questions you want. So what websites and what date and time are your live training? I think I missed it. Corey, are you referring to the membership community lives? If you're talking about that other live that we did just for the general public, we tried to put it everywhere we could. So which live are you referring to? So we don't have any more live in person on like free events planned. Only thing now we got is through mentorship. So confirm what you're asking about, okay? Corey said, where'd you get your business card? Vistaprint. Yep, Vistaprint. I love Vistaprint. And you could actually create them on Canva and then upload them if you wanted to. But I just do everything on Vistaprint. They have thousands of templates. Thousands of templates. You're back off the camera. Can you see yourself?
Pretty much.
Come over.
Well, you half and half. We half and half.
Well, I want you more in there. Come on. All right, we're going to stay a few more minutes and answer some questions. So, yeah, Vistaprint, Corey. Website is notaryeducators.com. Thank you, Andrea. There are those who charge for that. Charge for what, Corey? Charge for reverse mortgage? Is that what you're referring to? And if so, I know people charge for everything. Yes. But again, we want you notarizing like a pro. We don't play all them kind of games over here either. What's that question, Joe?
Do we have card title program in the package?
Again, honey babe, you don't have to see every single document in order to be a good notary. The way we teach you is how to notarize like a what, people?
Like a pro.
Like a pro. So you don't have to see every single piece of paper. You can sit here and say, Kimmi, do you have a car title? Do you have a travel consent? Do you have a divorce document? Do you have this document? Ain't no way in the world you're going to see all the documents, people. That's why the way we teach you is in such a way that you can notarize anything. It doesn't matter what kind of paper it is. Can you imagine a doctor saying, I got to see a black patient, a white patient, a yellow patient, an Indian patient, a Chinese patient. The heart is in the same place no matter what color the body is, right? That's why I love using that illustration. I love using that illustration. He don't have to say, let me see a black man, a white man, a yellow man, an orange man. He just knows that the male parts are the male parts, okay? Doesn't matter what color. So same thing with documents. It's just a piece of paper. And that package I showed you today is 160 pages. There's no way, every package is different.